All right, I'm not even the biggest pasta fan, but this is a good one. This is Donald Link's take on carbonara. Let's do it. Get a small stock pot, fill it about halfway full of water, then get about a half a cup of white vinegar, pour it in, and bring it to just below a simmer. All right, make yourself a little ice bath. You're gonna need something like this or a slotted spoon. All right, grab yourself a silly little bowl like this one. Got that one at World Market on sale. You take an egg. I'm gonna do not this many, I'm gonna do about 10 in case I mess any up. What you do is you crack it into the bowl, right? And then you slip it. This is what the water should look like. You slip it into the water. And you poach it up. It should take about 3 minutes for the whites to set. Do them all. You're really trying to just dip the bowl a little bit into the water and let it go. All right, after about 3 minutes, you're gonna come over to the pot. It's gonna look kind of funky, like they're little jellyfishy. Don't worry. What you really want is the yolk to still be a little bit under, and all of this will work itself out in the next step. We're gonna bring it gently to the ice bath and shock it so it stops cooking. Set it in there again. If they look funky now, they won't later. Don't bug out, you're doing it right. Gently put them in the ice bath. And we'll transfer them in just a second. When they're shocked, kind of work with your hands too so you don't break your hard work and make runny yolks in here. That'd ruin them. But do put them on a slotted spoon just to drain. Again, don't worry about the little stringies. It'll work itself out later. When it's drained pretty good, you move it to either a plate with some paper towels or a plate with a dish towel. And you do it again. And you're gonna do that for me it's 10, for however many you're gonna make. Usually you do about 1 per portion, but you wanna do a couple extra just in case you fuck any up. All right, into the fridge for about 30 minutes. All right, heat on, medium-high heat, big old pan. In traditional carbonara, you're gonna use guanciale, right? The cheek meat, but I don't have any, so we're gonna use bacon. Slice it up. Into the pan. If you're thinking that all my pans look all fucked up, it's because I'm not rich and I'm always cooking in them. All right, Donald Link says like 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. I say however many you like, but he's also like a genius, so maybe follow his steps. Mince 'em up. Bacon and garlic look good. I wish you could smell this. 3 cups of heavy cream. Half a cup of chicken stock. Little salt. You don't have to do too much. It's filled with bacon. Little pepper. Bring it to a simmer. And reduce it for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's thick enough to coat the noodles. Fire, hot, water, bring it to a boil. You gotta boil some pasta. All right, little neutral oil. You don't need a big pot for this because you're only gonna fry some eggs. Don't fill it too full, maybe just under halfway. You don't wanna start a grease fire in your kitchen. All right, little parsley. This time, we can't really have the stalks. So kind of knock them off like this, the leaves. Not too much, remember, just enough to discipline it. This shit is ready. That's what it's supposed to look like. Kill the heat, finish your pasta. Pound of pasta. All right, set up your dredge station. We're doing flour, shocker, buttermilk, panko. On the flame, let it heat. All right, pasta in. So, again, you're not heating the oil to any specific temp. What you're gonna do is you're gonna keep checking it, little splashes of water. When it pops back at you a little bit, it's ready to go. All right, eggs have done their 30-minute sentence. We're going in gently. Remember, you want the yolk to be there. Buttermilk. Gentle panko. All right, just looking for color. When it looks all yummy, yummy, pull it off. Lemon. Remember, set a table, get cheap stuff and make it look nice.